Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Music app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You scrolling down here into your phone apps, click on it. It's going to take you to this list and you're looking for Amazon Music app. You just click on search. Then here add Amazon Music, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on full stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage. Until you found this list, you click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store. You click here on Play Store here. Then you search here for Amazon Music. It's going to show for you like this here. You will find updates, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.